What ingredient was described as especially dear to the gods by the philosopher Plato and a divine substance by the poet Homer? The answer is salt. Food-grade salt is defined by the Food and Chemical Codex based on its purity, which may range from 99.8 to 99.95% based on its source and how it's processed. Table salt is comprised mostly of sodium chloride, but may contain small amounts of other chemical compounds such as calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and potassium chloride. Verifying the purity of salt is important because the associated compounds and trace metals can cause problems in certain food applications. For example, calcium and magnesium can interfere with the emulsion in margarine. They can also cause off flavors and colors in mayonnaise. Salt used in commercial applications may contain food additives not necessarily found in your typical table salt, such as anti-caking agent that prevents salt crystals from caking or clumping together. In addition to flavoring food, salt can also be effective in controlling microbial growth. Foods like pickles and processed meat use salt as a preservative where it inhibits the growth of disease-causing and/or spoilage microorganisms. Other foods, such as cheese, use salt to control the amount of acid produced by lactic acid bacteria during fermentation to help control the product's final flavor. So whether it's dear, divine, or of concern, salt plays a large role in the food that we eat. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or fapc.biz.